so I can get you can get the recording of
Okay.
this video. You get okay.
Yeah, no
So I'm
problem.
going to continue with that. So I'll give it a width of maybe 30% and a height of um let's see, 30% for the height.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 10% is even small. I guess that's small.
I think the width
So
is
for the width,
too big.
no, it's too big. But should I say
Okay.
we're still cooking?
Okay. Yeah, we're
So
still cooking. Yeah.
40%,
Mm-hmm.
and let's make the height of I guess the height is not working because I'm going to change from the percentage. Okay.
Yeah.
I have something like that's already a bit big.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to use it to that, that should do. That's something. I'm going to kind of centralize it now. Now it's not centralized. All those changes.
Adding
So
right.
instead of
Margin right. Rather.
imagining like 40%, I'm going to no need for margin right. I can just reduce the
Oh
margin
yeah,
right.
we can just reduce it. Yeah.
30%. There's a
Yeah.
lot kind of that like this 34%. That's just centralized. Okay.
Or 32.
Okay. We're going to shift it a little. It says you can use the small points in this picture. It's 2.5. We're going to shift. Okay, so let's keep the we are not done. I'm still going to shift it a little from the top, like and mark it up too close to the first bit. So let's see, say 30. Still going to shift it a little. So I still it's not that centralized. I know why. So let's see that. So we gave it margin with weight of 40%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that means we still have 60% remaining, meaning that the remaining two parts will get 60%. I see why. This is 60%. Okay, so it's kind of more centralized.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's kind of start editing. I'm going to start with border videos. I like giving a little bit. So I'm taking border videos. Border videos. Let's see. So you see that it kind of changes and
Mm-hmm.
you see this fine look. Now I'm going to also give it a background color and a color too. Background color of purple. And I'm going to also give it a color white.
Okay.
So it's going to look something like this. But you realize that it still has this border and the border is kind of moving that I call it is fineness. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove that border. So it's going to be border none. So border none. And the border automatically goes up and you realize that it's a lot
Yeah.
better than how it looked before. So now we're also going to work on this log game. Text is small and I also like font family. But as I said before, I always like using font personally. So basically, it's also always advisable to use the same font family as you keep going your web page so that you will not have too many things at once. You understand? Too many font families working at once. So just start with one or a few. And or just two font types. So I'm going to use that. Change because but then let's work on the font size. Let's give it font size of 100%. Okay, cool. I still want it to be a bit bigger. So this is 108%. So let's make it a bit bigger. 112 is more. 115. Okay, so something like this. Yeah, I think this is big enough for somebody. took 120. So that's old enough, right?
Yeah.
So we can even increase the font weight to make it kind of full. So font weight. We can actually give it any setup, but I expect to use just bold, like that. Kind of make it full. Okay. So we have our login. We have this for
Password.
password, this name, and this for username and the name and all those stuff. So basically, this is what your the final product of a good login page should look like.
Yeah.
It is we have worked it from what it was before. So let's kind of use the hover property on this. Okay, so I want to reduce the opacity whenever I hover over this login.
Yeah.
What I'll do here is I'll come here and I don't want to use the going to use that my pseudo class which that's hover to the
Over.
so hover okay and open a curly brace there and with that we're now going to reduce the opacity and we can even increase the size. So let's start with opacity. Let's give opacity of 80%. Whenever I hover it, see that see what happens there.
Yeah.
Kind of changes. So, we are also going to give let's say I'm going to use the opacity kind of 70%. So we can also increase the size, increase the weight and the then although we have not looked at this yet, translation, CSS transform. Like
Yeah.
CSS transform kind of make the height and the width equally. So we're going to look at that maybe the next video in the next class. Definitely. So after this form, next we're going to be CSS advanced CSS, like more advanced. So we're looking at transformation, 2D transitions, 3D transitions, animations, and things like that. Okay, great. Okay,
Mhm.
so let's use our transformation, even though I'm
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
transform, and
CSS
I
also
want it
is
to transform with the scale.
okay.
So I want it to transform two times of weight, weight and two times of it. Or let's make it 1.5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's 1.5. Okay, so when I hover over this, see that it's kind of too big. Even the 1.5, make it 1.2. See that? So both the opacity and the width and height increases. You see that? I think
Yeah.
this,
Mm-hmm. The transition.
but then it is increasing so suddenly. I don't want it to increase so suddenly. I want a kind of slow action and a fast action. That's where our transition comes in. So we give the transition to the main CSS styling for that tag, not before video class. So now I'll give you the transition. I'll try to give you the amount of time I want that transformation. So I'm going to give you a transition of
2 seconds.
0.3 seconds.
Yeah.
Coming back, you can see this. See that
Yeah.
increase,
Mm-hmm.
smooth and sweet. Okay, so that's it. So okay, so I also say we were going to create a sign-in kind of light up down here. So let's go into that now. Let's put that. Event else we're done. That's okay. So below our login, let's say I want to use my pizza. Let's create so my pizza so I'm going to create my eight tag. And inside my eight tag, I'll say sign in. And outside the eight tag, I'll write if you don't, I mean,
You don't have an account.
don't have an account. Okay. So it's going to look very, very not fine at the beginning. So I've always put. So first, I'm going to give that tip again. going to reduce this signing. I'm still going to keep it as the color that it is, but then I'm going to remove the underline because I don't want like the underline. So when we're editing text is very simple, mostly when we are working with them. Yes, it's like the first thing I will do is I'm going to give the class at the starting the class signing. I'm going to call it sign. Sign. I come to my CSS. I'm going to reduce the sign. That's fine. My colleague raised and inside the dot sign, I'm going to give it text align center. So we have this text align center. So text align center actually takes the center of the web page. So sign in if you don't have an account. And I don't want it to be that. I don't like that from family, so I'm going to change the from family to let's say cursive. Because I always like cursive. So do something like this now. So we can only leave it like this right now. Like a lot.
Yeah.
See this. Yeah. So we have created our. I don't think we should touch it. We have created our official login page. But normally I would have added maybe a header login here, but the login header will kind of take out that style. So normally a lot of people just use maybe an image showing that someone is logged in and stuff.
Yeah.
So this I can put my name or put my username or it's kind of not email, but just maybe kind of a username that you use,
Yeah.
and my password. Whatever I want the password to be, my login button. So now the button is actually doing anything. It's just like a normal button that's just there.
Mm.
And
Because
just
it's not linked to
let
anywhere.
yes, I've not told you what to do. So we can use our JavaScript or to tell you what to do. And maybe as we keep going, when we reach JavaScript, we're going to look at the usefulness of this action. You can even go and read up on it. This action attributes. We're going to see that there is there are some extra attributes that you need to add to your input tag
Mm-hmm.
so that your back end can receive whatever has been typed into space. So we have example like the name attributes, value attributes, all those extras. We're going to look at the later on inside JavaScript. That's JavaScript forms as using forms in JavaScript. So that's basically it for forms. How we can break down.
The
So yeah,
for a responsive website, CSS is responsible for that or JavaScript.
you know that way we are getting the responsive.
Okay.
Responsive is not. This isn't responsive at all.
No. I mean, my question is it CSS that makes it where a website responsive
yes,
or JavaScript?
it's CSS. Yes, it's
Oh,
not JavaScript. JavaScript does
okay.
not have anything to do with
Okay.
responsive process. Then when we're looking at CSS, yes, so then
Okay.
we also have frameworks
Media,
that make
something like this.
responsiveness easier. So we have a framework like Bootstrap. So I don't know whether we're going to be looking at Bootstrap or also the online class because we have not really been told to take Bootstrap, but then Bootstrap is also very important. I'm still going to look at this, look more on it later. Bootstrap is very important, mostly for responsiveness. Makes you create your website in a responsive way, but then easier. We can still use normal CSS to do that. It's still going to work.
Yeah.
Going to work normally, but then when we use Bootstrap, it makes it kind of easier than that. So the assignment I'm going to give you now, I want you to create a sign-in page. I want you to create this login page I've created, and I don't know when I'll post the video. You can even still do it on your own style or anything you want. I want you to create a login page and then
Okay.
create a sign-in page that I can click on and to take me there. So right now, if I can do so good.
Okay. I will do that. That's good. I mean, how many topics do we have left on CSS? I can't wait. I can't wait for JavaScript.
I can see I'm really hungry.
Yeah.
so You have CSS, advanced CSS class, and I think since I've seen that you really want to you're going to rush through it, but it's not also very good to rush through it anyhow.
No.
We still have things
You
like
don't have to rush. You don't have to rush, but yeah.
CSS shadows, we have CSS and gradients, CSS 3D transformation, 2D transformation, we have CSS effects, CSS transitions, CSS animations. Oh, you know what? I'm just mentioning so much, and they're not that big as
Mm.
looks
But
like.
the
We
the,
have
CS, the CSS that makes the website responsive, that's where we start doing like something like at media, blah blah blah.
exactly. Yeah, you're going so far. Exactly. We'll
Yeah,
be using yeah, where we'll be telling our website at this particular size of the device. This should happen at this
okay,
particular size of this device this week. Right. That would be like to be honest with you. That would be like the last thing we do before we go into JavaScript. And
okay.
it takes some time. That should be maybe ending of this week. We should be done with that. In fact, we should be
Okay.
done with CSS fully
Okay. Yeah. No, Allah.
fast, so that we can enter JavaScript and enjoy.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we'll enjoy all the way as we're going.
Yeah. Because the JavaScript
Yeah,
I'm learning in the school it's not that clear. It's just rush. So
okay, they're just rushing through there. It's not always, personally, I believe like this, like, it's not always good to rush through this thing. You take it
yeah.
easy because to
Mhm.
take it in, because sometimes mostly when we're looking at JavaScript is not HTML.
Yeah.
It's kind of really challenging. So we need to take time and look at it one by one and make sure the person understands or the people understand. So I understand maybe the person has a lot of people that are going through the class at once. So
Mhm.
since it's not just one-on-one personal class like we're
Yeah.
having now,
We've
then he
done
may not want
we've
to
done
take his time and
JavaScript.
all those kind of things.
We've done React.
Yeah.
We've done yeah, some other React. We've done React. We've done JavaScript. I think right now I'm also even learning what's it called, API, Node.js,
Okay.
Express.
API.
Yeah. So, but I don't really understand it. So,
Yeah, not really getting it. So
yeah.
I understand. I understand.
Because I
No
mean, of course,
problem.
HTML and CSS is HTML is something you can always, if you forget one particular how to do, maybe how to put magic and just look it up at any time. Blah, blah, blah. But that
Yes,
JavaScript,
but then
yeah, you
JavaScript
really
is
have to know it. Yeah,
it's not
and
you cannot, although unless when you're using JavaScript like that, unless you're just copying code, you may not even understand what you're doing. It's
exactly.
better to know it very well
Exactly,
using.
exactly.
So
I even want something
you're
out
going to
there.
do
Yeah. So from
it.
that school that I said that we'll be doing like a final project. I think starting from the end of next week, like a final project. So we're gonna build like a complete website or app for both full stack, both front and back end. So I don't know. I might need your help, but like separate payments. We can like maybe do it together and
No problem, no problem,
yeah.
no
I
problem
mean,
at all.
we don't have to do it. That one is outside this class. So I mean, I have to yeah sort you out, and I mean, it's
I
gonna
get
be
it.
between us. Yeah.
I get it.
So maybe, I mean, I want us to do it together so that I mean, as you are doing it, I will understand it too. So for my presentation, I will just do it because I just want to do it and get the certificate. I mean, this particular class that we're having, this is my own main focus.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I understand. I understand what you're saying. No
Okay. Okay.
problem. No
Okay.
problem.
Yeah. So
Anytime, just message me and
like I
we
will let you
can
know
go.
when I'm ready. I think I will want to do like a to-do list. That's one of the easiest
And to do
thing to
this,
yeah.
in fact, should
So
I
we're
say
gonna
I really like you to do it on
yeah.
your but honestly, right
So
now, I already have the whole code for that already kept. But
okay.
no
So
problem, no
it's
problem.
like we're gonna do it like with React. So with Node.js everything like
Okay,
I will show you
with
the
React.
syllabus. Yeah, React. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. I will tell you. So we discuss on that.
Okay,
All right.
that's the problem.
Yeah. Thanks. So.
Okay, so of course, then I can see you have not really explained about an and that's already about it. So maybe I'm going to send videos this week because of this week I'm not really that high. So as I said before, the last video I wanted to send for you kind of was almost a 30-minute video. It was very long. A lot of things were put
Mm.
into that video. Apart from this, I went further to advance it already in that video. But then it just got me lost. I don't even know how to explain. I can't even explain. I searched.
No problem.
Again,
No
I
problem.
couldn't find it. So
You can just
I
send
was
it.
like, okay.
No
So
problem. I mean, of course,
so
the most important thing is that I get what you thought. So
yeah.
yeah.
No problem. No problem. So
Uh,
we'll keep going, driving forward with JavaScript to a
okay.
lot of the time.
Okay.
So I had a really nice class.
Yeah. Thank you. So one more. I mean,
If
one last question. Are we going to
yes,
like
please.
maybe after each section, for example, after each module, for example, this JavaScript and the CSS, are we going to like build a small project after it? For example, after we finish HTML,
Yes,
CSS, we're going to like build a
after your
final project.
CSS, after your CSS, before you go into
JavaScript, yeah.
the JavaScript, you're going to do a big project. So,
Okay.
but for
Nice.
now, we are still going to your house. We are going to do a big project because with just HTML and CSS, you can do a lot. So we
Okay.
are actually a big project before we go into JavaScript.
I will be
So
happy, sure, because that's the major thing. Practice.
yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
when you come up with that kind of thing, like yeah. So the project actually is actually going to be you creating your own portfolio,
Mhm. Yeah. Voila.
creating a portfolio for yourself. So that's the project I always give to people that just come out of CSS and JavaScript. So it's a very easy but challenging but easy project that is straightforward. So you can even start planning on it right now. I start
Okay.
planning on that, but then as we keep going, look at things that will make it work easier. So before this week is over, maybe at the ending of this week,
Okay.
ending CSS and looking at the project.
No problem. No problem. Thanks a lot.
So, that's it. Yeah. I
Yeah.
think with this, we'll end it here.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
okay. So have a
Yeah.
nice night,
Have a
and
nice night. Thank you very much.
I hope you learned a lot from this video.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course, of course. Please just send me the video so I can just, I mean, for the assignment, I can just look at it again and recreate my own in a different way.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
That's okay. No problem. Everything will be done. Will be done.
Thanks. Yeah,
Okay.
thanks, bro.
So
Uh,
I'm going to leave here. Bye.
yeah. Bye.
Have a nice